with Blaze of Grass Look here. I just received a box from RYOBI, and why not just make an unboxing video, right? Hopefully this would come out real good. Let me move some of the stuff out the way. Oh, you guys should be able to see, right? Yeah, you should be able to see. Alright, so I have a little cold, so I do apologize. It is a RYOBI 40 volt HP high performance advanced technology. So it's an all-wheel drive and is a Whisper series, so it's supposed to be pretty quiet. It's 21 inches and is again, I said, a 40 volt cordless all-wheel lawnmower. Okay, so it is a self-propel cross cut, so it has 2 blades. Smart Trek. Let me see. The runtime is up to 70 minutes of runtime, and is ideal for 3/4 acres or less. And again, we said the Whisper technology. And let me see, Smart Trek, onboard fuel gauge, 1-touch folding handle, integrated mulch plug, single point height adjustment, 11 high wheel design, 11 inch. Okay, and it comes with a 5-year warranty for the mower, and is a limited warranty and a 3-year battery warranty, and the deck is a lifetime warranty. So it comes with the mower, 2 6-amp lithium ion batteries, and a rapid charger. All right, and again, guys, I haven't had a chance, let me turn this over, I haven't had a chance to run it, anything. This is the first time the guy just brought it over, and I said, you know what, let me do a quick unboxing video, and you guys are gonna be able to see just what I see. Okay, so yeah, but eventually we will take this out and run with it, right, Tank? Yeah, and Bella's over there. All right, let's turn it over. And see what comes in the box. I guess you can scan for compatible accessories, right? Unleash your more potential. Cool. All right, so here's your mower, and you have your frame. Put this right here. Your rapid charger. Okay, so it is a single charger, it's not a double charger. What else is in here? Your grass deflector. You know, that's one thing that I love about the RYOBI mowers, man. Everybody don't like mulching, you know. And this looked like what, two bushels? Yeah, doesn't matter, I don't bag anything anyway. And here's the mower. All right, so since I have a camera in my hands, let's do it my way. Yeah, that's good enough. All right, so Here is, this is your little fuel gauge thingy. Shows you how many cells you have, your bagging and mulching. That's pretty cool, right? All right, let me try to roll this out real quick. Alright, here's your double blade. Nice. And this, I guess, your front transmission and your rear transmission. And all right, so I'm guessing, there you go. Nice. So all I did was pull on the handle right here, and it automatically released to bring it up. And it has two different sections. Okay, so that's one, and that's two. Nice. Okay. And here's your speed. You start your blade here. And then this is fast and slow. Pretty nice. And all-wheel drive on and all-wheel drive off. And this is your rear-wheel drive. Okay. And here are your instructions on how to actually use the mower. Okay. And this lever right here, let's see. I can do this one hand. Okay, so you pull the lever and they close the housing. See, the housing is closed. Raise it up. All right. So you raise this up right here and you close the housing for mulching, and this is for bagging. Pretty cool. My single height adjustment. Wow, this thing goes all the way up to 7. And okay, how do you open? Okay, you have your lights. Oh, there you go. Your batteries and your key. Now this key goes right in here. Has a little bit of power. So yeah, hold on. Let's put the key in there. Let's see what it sounds like. Hold on, do I have anything? Wait, let me move this out of the way. Let's see what it sounds like. What's this bug? Oh. Pretty cool, huh? Self-propelled. All right. So here it is. The RYOBI 40 volt HP all-wheel drive 21-inch 3-in-1 X-Cut single point adjustment Whisper series. Alright guys, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take this out with me one of these days, and then I'll make a follow-up so you guys can see how it cuts and all that good stuff. All right. Hey guys, real quick video. Again, this is just as you know, the same way I did it, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited. Thanks to the guys at RYOBI. Right, Bella? And yeah, we'll take it from there. Alright guys, let me know if you have any comments, any questions that I can answer. Again, this is my first time seeing the mower. I haven't had a chance to utilize the mower yet, so I will put it in the back of the truck, take it out with me, and then let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, have a blessed one. Comment below, like, subscribe. I'll smoke. Peace.